I love the smell of fresh, crisp air. I just despise being inside all the time. Here, do you want a cigarette? No, no, no. I don't usually smoke. I'm what you can call a social smoker. Yes, you may not be smoking, but I'm socializing with you, aren't I? You know what? That is a good point. I do have the urge to pull out a cigarette every time I get lost, or a little bit nervous, or a little bit anxious. You see, I'm actually supposed to meet my friends. We came here to the club together at the XS Club, and now I have no idea. What am I gonna do at night? Who am I gonna be with? We'll see. So, what are you doing here, Paula, by yourself? Oh, you came with friends too? I see. I see. How about we help each other look for said friends? Maybe one of us is lying. Here, if you see a bunch of young adults just wandering around and looking like they don't belong in a white t-shirt and black jeans, that's probably my friends. Well, really? Here, let's go take a look. Alright, so let's check out what's in my pockets. I believe this is a lighter. And this is gum. Nice. Still smells really fresh. Cigarettes. Oh. You weren't supposed to see my rubber. I mean, I have it just in case of emergencies. Maybe I found a nice damsel in distress who needs some calming down of her own without cigarettes. And, yeah, I just whip this out and assemble it on me, and, yeah, you never know. Hey, you never know, okay? Anyways, it was supposed to be in my wallet, which is also nowhere to be found. Do you think someone swiped it at the club? Maybe grabbed it out of my pocket. You never know these days. They've been grabbing everything in there. I did feel a little violated, but also a little cool, I guess. Here we go. I just received a text from my buddy. He said that he has my wallet. Okay, great. I mean, here's the thing. I'm very, very liberal when it comes to buying others drinks, so I don't really want to blow it all in one day, you know? So, well, what I'm trying to say is, either way, I may have purposely given my wallet to my friend, and that's why I need it back. That way he could safekeep my money and not let me use it on my very, very addictive habits, just like drinking and treating pretty girls like you out to a drink. I'm just trying to say, I'm a very classy, noble, handsome, good-looking guy. Alright, now, I don't know if this is a good idea, so bear with me, alright? What if we go back inside the club? And once we're inside, maybe we can find all our friends. And then consequently, just ditch them again. To find a more private area in the club, where I can buy you a drink or something. And we can have a nice little chit chat about how damn good looking you are. Okay? And then let's see where the night takes us from there. Maybe we'll go dancing, who knows? What do you think? Okay, great. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this time. Oh, yes. And yeah, this is the VIP entrance. It's exclusively only for VIP members and card holders. And just let the bouncer know what drink you want. Anything at all. Did you get your drink order in? Great. Now follow me around the corner. This club is a really big pit, and my booth looks over the whole thing. So naturally, you get to experience all the action without having to actually be in it. And if, in case you can't hear me, or you want a more quiet time, we can just close the blinds, lower the curtains, set the mood. See, they even have candles and everything for us. Well, now that we're settled in, do you want to divulge to me why you were staring at me outside when it was just the two of us with those lovely eyes of yours? You were just yearning for me, weren't you? I know that look when I recognize it. It's one of the best times of my life. How about this? Let's just get straight to the point. Go ahead, sit down, listen to my directions, and enjoy the rest of our night together. Don't do that. Your lips are so fat and juicy, and it makes me wanna kiss you forever. But how am I supposed to breathe? I have to take breaks. Oh yeah, that's right. I have a nose. That's a good idea. Can you be more still? I'm trying to give you my peak performance here, and I can't do that if you're kinda taking it hard and moving all over the place. Just try to hold on to anything. Me, the ground, the cover, whatever. Hold on for dear life. We're gonna continue this roller coaster. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, I really mean it, baby. Did you know that it's a crime in some countries to be as beautiful as you are? Because then there'd be so many riots over who would get to have you and who would get to take you home for the night. Luckily, it's gonna be me. Not just tonight, but for many nights in the future and for many nights to come. Hey, that was great, wasn't it? I really enjoyed it too. But you know what I would enjoy even more? I would enjoy it if you pressed the like and subscribe button, and if you left a comment down below, maybe detailing the highlights of your time here, or maybe the highlights of watching my channel, or just highlights on YouTube in general. I promise I do read these. I don't respond to all of them, but you know, it's a nice to have interaction with my fans. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.